The Samsung Galaxy J4 Plus features a 6-inch HD Plus screen which provides a good entertainment experience. The sleek finish and the curved edges make for comfortable use. The phone is available in 3 color options: blue, black and gold. This phone has a 2GB RAM and a 32GB internal memory which can be expanded up to 512GB using a microSD card. The phone has dual SIM slots which both support 4G VoLTE capability. The HD Plus capacitive touchscreen has an infinity display for a good viewing experience. The 18.5:9 aspect ratio helps in comfortable one-hand use. The phone also has a face unlock feature for quick unlock. The phone features a 13-megapixel rear camera along with a 5-megapixel front camera, both with flash. The Samsung Galaxy J4 Plus runs on Android Oreo and has a quad-core Snapdragon 425 processor for efficient multitasking. This phone is powered by a 3300 mAh battery. The handset comes with a charger, user guide and earphones. The Samsung Galaxy J4 Plus is made available through various EMI options, net banking and payment through your debit or credit card.